Have you heard about Credit Karma and also Rocket Money? And you wonder exactly which one is best between these two platforms? Well, today I'm gonna be discussing about these two platforms and also possibly tell you the key differences between these two platforms and be telling you the best between these differences. And I will round it up and crown it with my best recommendation between these two platforms, so that way we are able to know which one is best between Credit Karma and Rocket Money. As you know, Credit Karma is a personal finance company which offers free credit scores, reports, and monitoring. Now, it provides users with tools and resources to help them, understand and improve their credit health. Okay, so the platform also offers recommendations for financial products such as credit cards, loans and insurance, and these are tailored to individual credit profile. Now, let's talk about some key features which also include free credit scores and reports from major credit bureaus like TransUnion and Equifax, and also they have credit monitoring and alerts for significant changes. They also have financial calculators and educational resources, all right, and they have personalized financial products recommendation, and they also have some tax filing services. Okay, and at the other hand right there we have Rocket Money, which is also formerly called Truebill, all right. And Rocket Money is a personal finance management application which is designed to help users manage their subscriptions, track their spending, and save money. All right, so it focuses on identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions, and also negotiating bills and providing insight into financial habits. Now, their key features include, subscription tracking and cancellation, bill negotiation and monitoring, also spending insight and budgeting tools, an automatic savings plan, and also render credit score monitoring in some versions. Okay, so now that is it about these two platforms. Let's go ahead and talk about the key differences between these two platforms, so that we know the best in each of these differences and round it up by telling you the best between them. Now, the first key difference is the core functionality. And when it comes to Rocket Money, they primarily helps with managing subscription, tracking, spending, and negotiating bills. All right. And at the other hand, we have Credit Karma, which focuses on credit score monitoring and also financial products recommendation. So the best in the aspect of core functionality depends on your need as a user. So if you are for credit health, Credit Karma can be the best. Why, if you are for budgeting and subscription, then Rocket Money can be the best for you. Talk about credit score report. Credit Karma, they provide free credit scores with reports from TransUnion and Equifax. Why Rocket Money, they offer credit score monitoring as a supplementary feature. So in this aspect of credit score, in case you're interested in that, Credit Karma will be the best here because they have free credit score and reports from TransUnion and also a bit from Equifax. Talk about subscription management. Rocket Money, they specialize in tracking and canceling subscription. Okay, why that of Credit Karma, they do not offer subscription management. So right here, Rocket Money will still be the best because they offer tracking and canceling subscription. Why, when it comes to bill negotiation, the Credit Karma, they do not offer bill negotiation services. Why that of Rocket Money, they provide bill negotiation to help users save on recurring expenses. So with this, we're gonna pick Rocket Money as the best right here. And talking about financial product recommendations, Credit Karma offer tailored financial product recommendations based on credit profile. Why that of Rocket Money, they have limited recommendations which are primarily focused on savings and budgeting tools. So the best in this aspect will be Credit Karma because of their financial product recommendation. Now let's go ahead and talk about the tax service, which is another point. Tax services in Credit Karma, they offer free tax filing services. Okay, with Rocket Money, they do not offer tax filing services. So right here, Credit Karma will still be the best in tax services. Now let's talk about spending insights and budgeting. With Credit Karma, they offer limited budgeting tools. Okay, why, when it comes to Rocket Money, they provide comprehensive spending insights and budgeting tools. So I'm gonna go with Rocket Money here as the best in the aspect of spending insights and budgeting. Talk about user interface. Rocket Money, they have interactive and detailed interface with a focus on budgeting and saving. So why, when it comes to Credit Karma, they have simple and straightforward and also they focus on credit information. So the best here is subjective. but Rocket Money may still be more engaging for budgeting. Okay, now the aspect of alert and notification, because some people do ask me, okay, what about alert and notification? Well, Credit Karma, they have alerts for significant changes in credit reports. Okay, while Rocket Money, they have notifications for subscription renewal, view changes, and spending patterns. I'm gonna go with Rocket Money in this aspect because of the fact that they offer more notification options. Okay, also customer support, both of them have good customer support. They both do email support, chat support, and also focus on subscription and bill management. Okay, so and a comprehensive help center. All right, so that of Rocket Money, they focus on subscription and bill management. So the best is a tie because it depends on the nature of the support that you need. Okay, so it's a tie right here. Talking about platform availability, it's also a tie because they are both available on the web and mobile application. Okay, the price when it comes to Credit Karma is free to use, and they make money through affiliate partnership. Okay, that is how Credit Karma makes money, through affiliate partnership. And when it comes to Rocket Money right here, they are also free to use. Okay, but they are free with premium features which is available via subscription. So compared to Credit Karma, that they are free and they don't have any paid plan as at the time of creating this video, but Rocket Money, they have premium features. Okay, so which is available via subscription. So Credit Karma for free services and Rocket Money for premium features. Okay, because Rocket Money still offers more value. All right, and when we talk about credit education, well, Credit Karma, they have extensive educational resources and articles. Okay, so on credit, why that of Rocket Money, they have less focus on credit education. So I'm gonna say when it comes to credit education, I'm gonna go with Credit Karma. All right, and the 14th point I have here before I round this up is the savings features. Okay, so with Credit Karma, there is no direct savings features. Okay, so why when it comes to Rocket Money, they have automatic savings features to help users to set aside money. So right here, I'll pick Rocket Money for being the best in having a good savings feature. Okay, so the last point that I have here is user base. So when it comes to Rocket Money, they have a growing user base and the focus on comprehensive financial management. Okay, and as you can see, millions of people are there already. And also when it comes to Credit Karma, they have over 100 million users, which of who are focused on credit health. So the best here depends on user preference. So Credit Karma has a large user base though, okay, compared to that of Rocket Money. Now, what is my final verdict and which one will I be picking between these two platforms? Well, I don't know, but can you guess right? My best answer here is Rocket Money. And the reason is that they have comprehensive financial management. Rocket Money offers a broader range of features, including subscription management, bill negotiation, and spending insights, which are kind of very crucial for day-to-day financial management. Also, they have user engagements because the interactive and detailed interface, it kind of makes it easier for users to stay up top of their finances. All right, and also I like the subscription tracking because the ability to track and cancel unwanted subscription can save me as a user or you as a user a significant amount of money. Okay, and bill negotiation also, I mean, this unique feature can help you as a user to lower your recurring expenses and providing direct financial benefit. And another reason which I would just say lastly about why I like them is the automatic savings. I mean, the automatic savings features help users to build savings effortlessly and promoting better financial habits. So these are the things that I have for you in today's video. And however, for those who are specifically looking to monitor and improve their credit score, then if you're looking to improve and monitor your credit score, then Credit Karma still remains an excellent choice, okay, due to its specialized focus on credit, health, and free services. Okay, so with this, it helps you to understand very well the the strength and weakness of each one of those platforms. So if you want more features, just like I said, Rocket Money is still the best to me. And however, in case you have an objection and you're like, oh no, I still prefer Credit Karma than Rocket Money, even though Rocket Money has more, then you can let us know in the comment box the reason why you feel that. However, I've talked about my reasons, okay, regarding why I pick Rocket Money. All right. So thank you very much for your time. And if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, possibly to help other people to also watch this video and learn more about these two platforms and know the one which is best between them. I wish you the best of luck in your day-to-day endeavors. I will see you in another video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.